I'm really upset today. I wanted to make a video. Let me show you. This is a very good gimbal. This is the DJI Mobile 2, which is great gimbal. You can do amazing cinematic video with this gimbal with any smartphone. Is great. Let me explain. You need to download this app. It's called DJI Go. So let's go to the app. Voila! Show you what's this option. So we have camera, we have gimbal, and we have live stream. Okay, so now as you can see, it says basic mode. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's. Okay, so now we have to log into our Google account, but before that, let me put some titles. We're gonna do. Okay, so let's put this description test. Okay, next. Now we have to put our Google account. Okay, so let's log in. Now, for the safety, I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna put my email. And now, the funny part is so I connect my email, and now look what's gonna happen now. Okay, did you see that? DJI, did you see that? Let's say you buy a drone. Cheap, any drone, doesn't matter. Any drone you buy. This is a good example to understand why I'm so mad. Okay, so I'm gonna switch the drone on. By the way, I did a review of this bad boy, link down below. So this is a controller. This is a very cheap drone that you can buy. Actually, this drone is $14.99. But the problem is, to understand why I'm so mad is, as you can see here on the drone, you have 4 levels of speed. As you can see, this is full level. Imagine this 4 levels doesn't works only 1 or 2. So basically it says 4 levels, but the speed works only on level 1 or level 2. Do you understand why I'm so mad? So basically there's a live stream option on YouTube and I can't live stream DJI. Super upset for today's video. I wanted to recommend this gear, which by the way is great, but I will make a video when DJI when they fix the problem. Until then, thank you for watching. If you have the same problem, make sure you share the video to other people if they have the same issue that I have, which is frustrating. So I explain to you what is the problem, and I'm going to make a separate video when the problem is if they fix the problem. I'm gonna make a video with the Osmo Mobile 2, which by the way, it's a great gimbal, but I will not recommend if the DJI doesn't fix the problem. This is for now. I hope this video clears up everything, and my name is Stefan, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay safe.